biggest challenges with Acumatica or any ERP system is trying to decide on security. We can set up roles, we can set up security rights by user, by screen, but it can be very complicated. And as much as we try to get it right the first time, we always end up having to do some tweaks to it. So if we first go in and we look at access rights by screen, Acumatica is very sophisticated in its security, and it allows you to kind of drill down into all kinds of areas and even down into the actual field transaction level and give certain activities or access rights. And so you can be as detailed or as high level as you'd like. So we first go in and we set up roles, and these roles have access to these areas. We think we do it okay. But sometimes, as administrators, we think that somebody doesn't need access to something, and when they start doing the work, we find out that they do. So in order to kind of have a quick shortcut to be able to tweak the security, I want to show you just a little shortcut that I've learned through this. So let's, for example, look at prepare payments. Maybe for some reason somebody needs access to this screen. As an administrator, we can go directly to the screen that we want someone to have access to. And if we use the Tools feature and Access Rights, Acumatica will bring us exactly to this spot and show us the security by role, how it's set by screen. We can use this and quickly go in and make a change to the security right there and say View Only and save that. And now our user can go in that has access to that role. It can go in to that and do their work. Let's look at that again. Customers. We go into this screen, go to Tools, say Access Rights, and it's going to jump us right to the customer screen. And we can go in and say, well, maybe in this case, we don't want an internal user to be able to edit an address. And we can change it right there. Another quick tip, in the user security, there's a list of reports. And so you can get a list of roles or a list of users, and then also go ahead and run a report that is going to show an access right by role. If you run this report, it can be a little bit overwhelming. So what we can do is, using additional sort and features, we can go ahead and filter this down and look for the role name and filter it based on that and see just what that particular role, where it has rights to and what those access rights are.